So this is what today's assignment looks like. I believe it's titled the Lewis dot structure assignment. And I just want to read over the directions and go over an example with you. The example will be completed in the assignment that you can view. So number 1 will be completed for you. You just have to do the same for the rest of the available numbers here. So it will be helpful to have your interactive periodic table open. So keep that in mind. But the directions say fill in the Lewis dot structure for each of the elements in the table below. To complete, move the red dots in their proper slots. Don't drive yourself crazy making them perfect. There are some done to get you started. From there, just copy more as you need them. So these red dots here, we're going to be taking and we're going to be moving to create a Lewis dot structure. Now, if you remember, we've been using the example of nitrogen throughout the day. And nitrogen, we know, has 5 valence electrons. So we want our Lewis dot structure to show that. And of course, like the directions say, don't drive yourself crazy about getting the dots just right. So we have 4 here, need 1 more. Oh. Let's see if I can make it a little bit nicer. So there we have our completed Lewis dot structure for nitrogen. What you're going to need to do is follow the same directions to complete the rest of the table here. When you run out of red dots, all you have to do is you can right click on your red dot here. You can copy and then paste for more, or you can use your keyboard shortcut Control and C and then Control V. See if I can demonstrate it here for you. And then I just pressed Control V and it made a new red dot for me. All right, so that's today's assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know.